Hey guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then hi, this face belongs to Mehuli Bhattacharjee. Take a few moments to subscribe to my channel in case you are new here. Okay, without any further ado, let's get into the video straight. First of all, clean your entire face using a mild cleanser and rinse it off. Here I am using toner and patting it into my skin. Then I am taking a moisturizer to moisturize my face. Always remember moisturization is a very important step. Massaging the cream very well into the face. I am using upward strokes to massage. It will give a lift and prevent aging. Don't forget the lips. Moisturize it too using a lip balm. Press two of your lips together for 15 seconds to get a plumpy moisturized lips. Taking an illuminating primer, now I am gonna prime my face. This primer has golden reflexes which will give you a fresh and dewy look. Massage it well into the skin. Massage it very well and see how a beautiful sheen it is giving to my skin. This is ideal for dry skins too. Now taking a deeper color concealer, I am going to color correct wherever it is required. For myself, I prefer color correction in certain areas. As you can see, I have uneven skin tone, pigmentation and got scarred badly due to acne. I am putting the corrector over those places only. I prefer using fingers because the warmth of our finger helps the product to melt and blend properly without taking any coverage away. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is a trick to get a flawless base. I think you can see the difference. Now take a loose powder and slightly dust off the loose powders just a tiny amount so that the corrector won't move from its place. I'm using a fluffy brush to pat those powders over the areas where I require it. Coverage foundation, I am going to apply it. If your face is not as scarred as me, then there's no need of using a full coverage foundation. For beginner, I would suggest Fit Me. It has got medium coverage which is buildable. Place the foundation evenly. Now blending it using a flat top kabuki brush. Use a stippling motion. Don't drag the foundation or dab it. Just stipple. Just buff that. Put the brush on your face at a certain angle and then buff it. If you feel matte foundations are getting dry in this weather, then walk in batches. Bring the loft over foundation up to your neck or ears and merge it to your hairline to make it more natural. As I am running out of my concealer, so I am using foundation which is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. Right now I'm looking pale and you might think the shade which I picked is inappropriate, but trust me guys, this foundation oxidizes a lot. Wait for the end, it will look gorgeous at the end. Applying concealer at the inner corner and outer corner of eyes and bridge of nose, forehead, chin, buffing it in the same manner. First blend the chin area, forehead and nose and then touch the eye area. This will provide extra coverage to the eye area. Now, this is the time to contour. Place the end of your brush at the upper part of your ear. Align the body of the brush along your cheekbone. Mark the area which is just below the outer corner of your eyes. And that's it, guys. That is the area where you should apply your contour. It is ideal for every face type. Place a warm toned contour shade and blend it upwards. Apply it to the temples, to the jawline and nose. It needs a lot of patience, guys. You have to keep patience and blend the product very well into your skin, otherwise it may look too bad. Blend, blend, blend. Blending will give you a flawless base. If you want to avoid a cakey base, then do concentrate over blending. Can you guys spot a difference? See, one side, this side of my face is looking lifeless, and this side of the face is looking more natural. This is the magic of contour. Bring the contour up to your hairline and merge it very well. Now contouring my lips as I said earlier, and this part of the chin I used to contour. This is your choice what you will do or not. I love to contour my lips too, and so doing it, don't worry, I know I applied the contour a little bit extra, but wait, everything will come together. I will share a trick, so watch the video till the end. Taking a coral blush and applying it over apples of cheek and merging it to the contour. Blending it very well and adding the color under the eyes too to avoid any kind of flashback. Adding a hint of color to the nose and chin as well. I know what you guys are thinking, she is looking like a joker, but trust me guys, this is the time I will show how I fixed up everything. It will bring a natural flush to my face, just wait for the trick. Taking a translucent powder, I will bake the under eye area, the cheek, bridge of nose, below the contour and the chin as well. This will work like magic as this step will bring all the contour, blush and highlights together. Taking a big fluffy brush, and now I'm gonna blend everything together. Use a very little force while blending, otherwise all those efforts made earlier will go in vain. Blend it properly. Just remove all the residues of the powder which we applied at. Since it's winter now, so I'm blocking the base once using a setting spray. Applying liquid highlighter on usual areas. Apply highlighter generally on the highest point of your face, just like the cheekbone, on the bridge of the nose, on the forehead, on the chin and also on the cupid bow. Don't forget to apply highlighter on brow bone and just highlight the inner corner of your eyes. This will make your eyes look more beautiful and wide. This liquid highlighter is looking so gorgeous on my face and my makeup is looking so natural and fresh, and I am happy with that. Now did my eyebrows and eye makeup off camera. Now I am back here. I have to wear a lipstick now. I have picked a coral shade, but it is not looking too good on me. See, it's just washing me off. Later on decided to put a brown colored lipstick over the previously applied lipstick, and the two shades combined very well with each other and gave me a very nice lip shade. Can you see how beautiful the lip shade is looking right now? I'm so happy with that. That's it guys, see how the look turned out. It's fresh, flawless and looks natural too. Each step shown are beginner friendly. So yeah, that's it. If you like the video or like such content, or if you want to see something else, do mention it in the comment box. I would love to make a video on it for you guys. Hit like, comment, share the video with your friends and family if you love it. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then this is my Instagram account. Go and follow me right now to get more updates about my new videos. Stay tuned. Goodbye.